he is. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Get up. Be a real fish. That's the reason. I knew this mouth should be good. Is it a jack? No, it's not. You kidding me? It's a nice jack. It wasn't fighting like a jack. You saw it? You sure it's a jack? You need help landing it? Is it a shark? No, it's a big snook. I told you it wasn't a jack. I told you that shit wasn't a jack. Yeah, keep him low. Here. Oh, that's a nice snook, bro. That's a nice snook. Here, you want me to land him for you? Yeah, that's a nice snook. All right, keep your eye. Don't tag your mirror alert. There you go. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna come up, go right over top of him. You're good. Don't panic. We'll be good.
Oh my God.
All right, here he is. Nice. Oh, buddy. You can lip him. Treat him like a bass. Just don't grab the tip of your rod. Help me. My rods. Where are my rods? My rods, bro. You got one? Oh, thank God. My Stratic and my Compra, my Code and my Saros. That's not as big of a deal. The Stratic and the Compra sucks. But you got that one. Thank God. Thanks for getting that. It's okay, man. Can you just cut this? No, it wasn't you. I dove on your fish, bro. No, because your fish came unhooked. Did you see? Oh, yeah, just cut it up here. Doesn't matter. It's okay. You know why it's okay? Told you this wasn't a jack. I knew it wasn't fighting like a jack. No, this current's gonna sweep it. It might wash up eventually, but it's not gonna wash up in here. And if you saw the tip, it's probably already past us by a ways. Oh no, did I lose my other shoe? You have gotta be, did you get it? Oh, thank God. I just bought these because I lost another pair into the water a few weeks ago. Dude, it's really not a big deal now. Like, you got my other rod and I'm really happy about that. Yeah, I got my phone, and it's in a brand new life proof, so it's good. I got both GoPros, which, by the way, worst case scenario, that's gonna make fucking amazing footage. And I got it for you, so that's really what counts.
Wow.
Hey, I'll dive in the water for my buddy's fish if it's that fish any day of the week. That's worth 1 or 2 rods. I'll say that. That's worth at least 1 or 2 rods. That's a beauty, bro. Dude, shut the fuck up and let's enjoy your fish here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. That's all we came here for right there. That's a beauty. right, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. There's one. Yeah, all right. I'll take that. Oh, there he goes. That's fine. He counts. Yeah, right where you're floating over, I told you, that's a good zone. It's where all the current and shit meets. Now we accomplished the goal for this section, that's for sure. Yeah, it's not huge, but it's a nice fish. Blue. If you're free and available. There we go. Yeah. He broke me off on the rock. He got over the rock. That was a huge, I think that might have been a tarpon, dude. Not my morning. Oh, that is a snook. Come on. Eat it. Oh, I knew that was a snook. He's right there. He's right there. Don't drift over him. He's right in front of his mullet. No, he ate it twice and just didn't get the hook. There's another one in there though. He came out after it. It's smaller. It's right there. Oh, how did you not eat that? You. Oh, the bigger one just came out after it. It's a much bigger one right there. Got him. Yeah. Nice. That was sick. I knew these ones had to be somewhere. Nice! Double, baby! Awesome! Nice, dude. Alright, I am not... Here, look at this spot. Oh, there was a bit. That one was a little bigger. This guy's like, so look at how ballsy this little fucker is. Harpoon him. Yep. There we go. There. Stay like that. There you go, big guy. Holding him like a candy bar. Sick, dude. I'm so glad we found where they were fucking at there. I knew they had to be along here somewhere. Dude. underneath me are like 3 or 4 or 5 more giant snook. I cannot believe that I didn't see them until we got up on the dock. They are directly underneath me, and they're huge. That could be a snook. Got him! Oh, that was good, dude. He like, there's two more following him out. Come over here, come over here. Yeah. There's one following mine around. Alright, go back to your shadows. That's a candy bar. There we go. Anthony. Yep, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, he's hooked so weird. He's hooked so weird. This hook is like in the worst, weirdest spot. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Keep your head up, motherfucker. Keep your head up. Oh yeah, buddy! Get your phone. That would be muy bueno. Is a fucking toad! Yeah! That's a good fight. That's the one. Needed that today. Really needed it. I mean, I'm not complaining, but that feels so good. Alright, dude, I knew this spot was gonna be okay. Oh yeah, she's good. She's good!